Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023. Brown Agro Industries Limited is on track to progress as expected over time.
Bangladesh's bilateral trade with neighboring India is increasing.
Caption News on Ori MAS Feed Milling Machines Manufacturers Post.
The USGC team traveled to Brazil last week for that
Inauguration of the new Lima Grain Ingredients Mill.
Climate-smart sorghum varieties most valued among Tanzanian farmers, ICRISAT study.
Solution to river pollution has been tested on a dairy farm in Wales.
Anata launched new Purnava eggs to meet folate demand.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Mill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.